I've replaced the drive belt on my Troy-Bilt Bronco J609. However, the belt is loose and won't tighten up sufficiently when I depress the drive pedal to engage the transmission, so it will move forward or back. How do I tighten it up?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
I replaced all the belts a few days ago. The blades rotate, the engine runs fine, it just won't move when you step on the drive pedal.
Can you guesstimate how old the engine is? And has it done anything like this in the past?
I bought the tractor in 2003, I believe. I've had nothing but success mowing our field with it. The blades are changed each summer, oil is changed regularly, and I've never had this problem before. So the mower is about 13 years old, and this is the first time I've changed the belts.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yep.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I purchased the proper belts according the owner's manual. And I think we follow the correct pattern for the belt install on the pulleys.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page on JustAnswer so you can place the $5 fully refundable deposit now. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the small engine technician about your situation and then connect you to
https://www.partstree.com/parts/Troy-Bilt/mowers-lawn-garden-tractor/13ODD609G766 Troy-Bilt Bronco Lawn Tractor 2005/drive/. Looking at the parts picture above, the tractor has two drive belts, with a variable pulley between them. Did you replace both belts? Did you check the variable drive pulley? The idler assembly, moved by the clutch pedal on the left, and the tension spring, is what tightens the longer belt.
Both drive belts were replaced. What I don't understand is how to adjust the variable drive pulley so the belt tightens up when I press the clutch pedal.
The rod that goes to the variable pulley has to be adjusted. See the video here below. https://video.search.yahoo.com/search/video_yield equals A0 so 8 Zeek 4 NNX36 UAU 19 znioa _U equals X3 odd tao 9 RZZIBVGate DZ3 XBH CWMXBHC0 OC K3 MJ JFMQRZZWMDC2M P equals how plus to plus adjust plus MTD plus variable plus speed and FR equals if T828964% 2C726S hash it equals 1 and vid equals 0337B780 off 8567 C5255 B3 B724 D08 D67 and action equals view.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.